Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll go through a demo of ADP Payroll and take a look at the main features you get inside the platform. I'll show you how to hire employees and onboard new team members, how to process payroll, and how to manage HR tasks within ADP. We'll also look at how you can track employee time using the system. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether ADP is worth considering or not. So, with that said, let's get started.
Welcome to Run, powered by ADP, the faster, easier, and more reliable payroll and HR solution for small businesses. A full suite of tools for your business. You've got options, from basic payroll to a full suite of HR tools and services. Get the help you need with the Run powered by ADP platform. Easily run payroll for your company in just a few quick steps. Get payroll and HR info at your fingertips, searching in your own words. See top things to do to stay on top of everyday tasks and to manage compliance with payroll and HR regulations. Click Last Payroll to quickly review your most recent payroll. You can also view canceled checks or dive deeper into payroll history and reports. Manage your employees and 1099s. Also easily add and terminate employees. Whether you need quick answers from our expert HR help desk or a full suite of HR tools, Run powered by ADP can help you grow the team of your dreams. Grow your business confidently with Run. Thanks for watching the overview demo. Explore the next steps of the tour to discover how ADP makes it easier for growing businesses to hire. Find and hire the right candidates fast. ZipRecruiter and Run have teamed up to make it easier for growing businesses to hire. Run connects directly to ZipRecruiter, where you can easily review, rate, and invite candidates to apply, all in one place. Easily post a job from either a pre-built ZipRecruiter template or create your own custom job post. Review candidates that apply to your job, send messages, and more. And if you need to know how much people are getting paid for the type of job you're filling, ADP's salary benchmarks can help you make better pay decisions using ADP pay data from over 30 million workers. Stay competitive in the hiring market. Thanks for watching the Hire People demo. Continue the tour to discover more about how ADP helps you onboard new employees with ease. Add new hires with ease. Employees can easily onboard themselves in minutes with the ADP Mobile Solutions app. To explore the new hires will learn about key steps in the personalized onboarding experience. New hires can also get a jump start on completing essential paperwork, selecting tax withholdings, and setting up direct deposit for their pay. And they can easily reference their pay stubs, clock in and out, review their PTO, and more. Modernize your employee experience. Thanks for watching the Onboard New People demo. Continue the tour to discover how Run helps you process payroll quickly and easily, no matter where you are. Process your payroll in a few simple steps. When it comes time to do your payroll, Run, powered by ADP, makes it more simple than ever to ensure all your employees are paid on time and your taxes are calculated, deducted, and paid automatically for you. Pay your people in just minutes with helpful tips that guide you along the way. Don't stress about taxes. Run calculates, deducts, and files your payroll taxes for you. You can also easily connect Run to your favorite accounting and POS software. Pay your employees by the hour or by salary, and customize any other earnings or deductions like bonuses, expenses, vacation time, etc. You can even pay contractors or 1099s. AI-powered error detection flags potential mistakes. Paying contractors is also easy. Preview your payroll gross to net taxes before you process your payroll to ensure you are paying accurately or make any last-minute changes. After processing your payroll, view any reports you need. You can also import your payroll data to your accounting system. Process payroll anywhere at any time. Take control when you're on the go. The Run, powered by ADP mobile app is built for how small businesses work. Payroll, reports, adding new people, and much more. Run puts them at your fingertips wherever your day takes you. Review and enter payroll information for each employee as needed. Then tap Preview Payroll. Process payroll securely and with error detection. AI technology helps catch payroll errors you may have made before they could cause problems. Review totals for each employee and for your overall payroll, and then tap Approve Payroll. Reporting. Easily view and share payroll reports. Quickly get the reports you need by selecting from our popular reports. You can also save your favorites for instant access. Select a date range to view or download the report. Notifications. Tap on Notifications to see alerts about important tasks and updates that may affect your business. Powerful search at your fingertips. Quickly find the information and tools you need using natural language search. Add new employees. Adding a new employee to your payroll is also easy on the go. You can choose to have the employee enter their own personal information, and you can review it before it's finalized, or you can enter the information for them. Pay your people in a flash, no matter where you are. Thanks for watching the Process Payroll demo. Continue exploring to discover how Run helps to take care of your people and yourself. Create an exceptional employee experience. Whether you need quick answers from our HR professionals or a full suite of HR tools, Run powered by ADP has your back. Access a vast number of useful HR tools, including background checks, an employee handbook wizard, and training courses for you and your employees. If you need it, live support from HR professionals is just a phone call away. You have access to background checks, including SSN validation, criminal history, and search for the current county of residence. You can create a comprehensive, professional quality employee handbook based on state and federal employment law in a few simple steps. Getting started is easy. Confirm the policies you want to include in your handbook. The template is pre-populated. You just need to confirm or fill in information where it's needed. When you're done, you can share your handbook with your team or print it. The Run platform will also notify you of federal, state, and local regulation changes, so you can instantly update your handbook. deliver an exceptional employee experience. Thanks for watching the Manage HR demo. Continue the tour to explore time tracking tools that help you easily create schedules and manage your employees' hours. Create schedules and manage your employees' hours easily. Track and manage your employees' hours. Time data is imported directly into your payroll. The Run platform also connects with third-party timekeeping solutions. The dashboard displays your team's schedules, hours, and attendance at a glance. From here, you can navigate into your employees' time cards, fix missed punches, and manage time-off requests. And for employees, clocking hours is easy. They can even do it right from their mobile devices. Save time with automated time tracking. Congratulations! You've completed the Run powered by ADP demo. To revisit any section, click the Demo menu button.